Actually, I forgot to start the record button. So now it's okay. Okay. Yes. Okay, don't left it. I think you can attempt the exam only one time. So don't left it. You can do. So you have this period full of time. So you can only 20 questions are there. You have more than enough time. So you can do it. Wait. I'm taking the questions. Which question? Wait. Wait. Jerry wants to build up his muscles. Which food groups intake she should increase? That means which is the food group that helps to build the muscles? That's it. Think a little bit. When choosing a food to eat, why it is important to look for the amount of added sugars in the food? Consuming a lot of added sugar causes what? What happens when you consume too? That's question. I think I read that question itself. But that's after that I read the next question. You can go and check the recordings after this meet. Okay, whether I read it or not. Okay. So, so when choosing a food to eat, why is it important to look for the amount of added sugars? So that means why is it said that a lot of consuming or eating too much of sugar, what will be the effect? Where is that question? Beneficial, good. The fourth option is very good, right? No, fourth question, fourth D option. Just read that. Gives you wings. So which question do I? Fifth. Seventh. In which image you can see a fat? When you consume too much of fat, what will be the image? That's it. So too much of fat. Sorry. Ah. So we have learned about the digestion in mouth, right? So we have learned that some we got starch from the mouth. Yes, when it mixed with the saliva, the starch is formed, absorbed by our body, right? So starch is to be belong to which food group? Starch. What is starch? We have done a charge test and dua. Sahara, what is your doubt? Food gives us energy for what? For what purposes we are using our food, the energy from our food? So simple question. You are not your questions can actually cannot be direct questions because you are not in a CBSE syllabus or ICSE syllabus or in state syllabus or in that syllabus. Direct questions that pick from the textbook is given, but it's not in the case of Cambridge. So you have to think a little more. Questions are not direct, but all are included in our learner's book. So for what purposes we use the energy? That's it. So sleeping, for sleeping or playing or growing, working, just use your what common sense. So which will be the most appropriate option? Just choose it from that. For what purposes? For what activities we use more energy? Like that. Yeah, PT, are you there? So why did you keep your camera off? Wait, actually I can't see. Nayan, Mazin, Nayan. Which one of the main organs in the digestive system? So you can see which among this is one of the main organs of digestive system. 11. Answer is there. Answer is there. 11th question. Saliva is a no, not the nutrient digestion. Saliva is what we have inside our mouth, right? Saliva, how saliva become a nutrient? So, Masin, it's about the which nutrient is digested in the mouth. That I already told you that we have a partial digestion inside our mouth, and as a result of that digestion, starch is formed. Right? What is the starch in that option? In that option, which one is starch content? Which one contains the starch? Don't say the answer, just mark it. Why did you forget that we have learned about the charge test? We saw a video about the charge test and we do some activities based on the same charge test in the workbook, in the textbook. Even then you forgot what is a charge. Give you a clue. Starch is the food that contains starch. I will give an example for that, potato. So you can now you can write it, right? So you can write where the potato contains a food. Potato belongs to which food group? No. Yes. One tree, right? So where is that question? The process of breaking down of food is called. The food is break down in our body and the energy is released, right? That process is called. About what we learned in this lesson, I think you're just listening, just hearing the class and leave that. After that, you are not revising it. If you revise it at least one time, you can answer all these questions, right? We have already postponed it to two times. Ruba, are you there? Okay. Yes, then I have to ensure that you are there, right? That's why I call you. Hania Fatima, turn on the camera. Dua, come on, what's it out? No, no. You finished. Okay, then wait for your friends to come. Actually, I'm in my screen. It is questions as well, so I can't see whether you finished or right. Like that. So yeah, yes, I can see that as I opened the question paper. So at that time, I can't see this. So I guess yes, I can see Haria and Dua completed. Sahara completed 18. Sahara Ruba completed 18. And Masin and Hania PT completed 15. Ruba completed. Yes. No, at the beginning only I forgot to start the recording. Yes, yes. I started the recording just after you start the exam. Yes. Completed, Sahara. Okay, wait. So Mazen is left. So after that, the Hania completed. Masin, it's okay. You have time. Yes, yes, yes. Chances there. So Masin completed, right? So I will tell you your marks after tomorrow. I will share you. Okay. Okay, then shall we start our class? So let me share the video, share the screen. Good. Yes, and I have a video for you. It's not moving. Wait. Wait, it takes time. So I think I will play this video. After that, even then you can have any doubt, you can tell me. Okay. So because that reason for the different reason, sorry, reason for different seasons is actually we have a confusion because of that, the reason behind that hemisphere and all, right? We have a doubt in that why it is on the northern hemisphere, why it is on the southern hemisphere, like that. It is, the reason is because of that tilt it is happening in that hemisphere. Let's see how it happens. Okay, while seeing the video it will be clear. Okay, let's, okay, listen. But it's okay for me. What? Yeah, sure, sure. Actually, it is because we have to discuss that it is in the northern hemisphere. When it is have the tilt and the distance with the sun is different in different time, right? So, because it is revolving in like ellipse, in the shape of an ellipse, right? So slightly ellipse. So at that time, the distance between the sun and the earth is different. Also, the intensity of light falling on that area is also different. Okay, when it has a tilt, when more light falls on the southern hemisphere, at that time it becomes summer there, and the opposite side become winter. Okay. So it's because that difference is because of the intensity of the light from the sun and the distance between the sun and the earth. Okay, that's the reason. Okay. Okay, I will repeat it once more. Okay.
On the other side of our orbit. The North Pole is tipping toward the sun. It strikes the northern hemisphere, and the sun stays in the sky for a longer time. Compared to winter, summer days are longer. The sun stays in the sky much longer. Notice too that while it's summer in the hemisphere, it's winter in the southern hemisphere. Because of Earth's tilt, the seasons are reversed. We observed how this tilt creates.
So, is it okay? No, I still have doubt in that. It's not moving. Okay, okay. You have only one doubt. I have so many doubts. Where space? Who tell you that is actually the light? Sunlight. So Earth is in that which when we go to that, we can't go to Mercury because it is too near to the sun, right? So yes, so they have their this intensity of light is too much. As we go away from the sun, the intensity of light in that area also decreases, and it um, mm, because of the air that present in that air, or is in some planets there will be no air and all like that. Maybe because of that. I don't know the clear correct answer of that question, but I hope maybe because of that. In Earth, or we can when we travel to the, so who tell you that there is no sunlight in the other space? There is. When we go, yes, isn't it? Yes, I understand. In space, I think in all other planets, when it is too far from the sun, the light will be very less, or maybe darker, like. But I don't know. I'm not sure that it. I think in Venus and Mars there is light. I think light is there. No light. I don't know. Actually, I don't know. This is not my subject, actually, geography. I don't have much deep idea about these type of topics. Uh, so, maybe. So, I will tell you in the next day. Okay. So, I think we can complete these questions, right? Marcin, do you have notebook or thing with you? Pen. Can you write the answers? Marcin? So everybody please take your notebooks and write the answers. We can complete these questions. Don't waste time, make it fast. Why are you laughing, Hania? Come on. Title, it's not title, tilted. In okay, in the month of December, which hemisphere is tilted towards the sun? Look, look at this picture. If you can't see it clearly in this slide, you can look at the textbook. In the, I think it's in page number 138 in your textbook. Let's see what is the answer for by everyone. So, Dua, what is your answer? Hania said it is north. Um, don't say like that. Actually, in the northern hemisphere, because of the more sunlight will fall on that area, right? Look at the tilt there. Because of this tilt, the sunlight will more sunlight will fall on the north hemisphere. Okay. Yes, northern hemisphere. Okay. So that's because of more sunlight, it will be summer in the northern hemisphere. Can you ask one by one? Do you have any doubt? Nobody has any doubt now. So tilt is towards which side? Which hemisphere is tilted towards the sun? Which uh, hemisphere is more towards the sun? Yes, that hemisphere is towards the sun. So, next question, which hemisphere is having summer? India is in northern hemisphere, right? India is in northern hemisphere, right? So, we have summer or winter during the December month. We have winter, right? Then look at the tilt. Which hemisphere is tilted towards the sun? This the upper portion is north and the lower portion is south. Your answer is correct. Why did you have a doubt in that? The the hemisphere, the northern hemisphere is tilted towards the sun or the southern? Actually, south is tilted towards the sun. That's why in north it is summer and in south it is sorry. In north it is winter and no. I was asking to you. What is your answer? You said it is north, right? Wait. Which hemisphere is tilted? The, is the summer? So Honey PT, please mute. Okay. To which hemis? In which place is it some? Sure, I didn't get that question. Wait. Uh, During summer, the intensity of sunlight is more or less. More, because during summer it is very hot, right? So if the intensity of sunlight is more, then only it become summer. Okay, then wait that. So when it is only the intensity of light become more, only it is tilted towards the sun, right? If it is tilted towards the sun, then only it got maximum sunlight, then only it becomes summer in that area. That was clear? Is it sure? Intensity of sunlight is more than that area will have the summer season, right? Okay, you are accepting that. So when the intensity of light is more, it has summer. Okay, when it happens, if it tilted toward, if one side is tilted towards the sun, then only that side got more maximum sunlight, right? Okay, okay. Then the area which is tilted toward the sun only has a maximum sunlight. Then only their season is summer. Okay. So come on. Wait. So intensity of light is when intensity of light is more, then it is summer. Summer. Okay. Okay. Then sunlight is falling. If it is tilted towards the sun only, then the intensity will be more, right? If it is if it is not tilted towards the sun, or if it is tilted opposite to the sun, how the intensity of light become more? Yes. So if it is tilted towards the sun, the intensity of light will be more, and it will be summer season. Okay. Then said, which hemisphere is tilted towards the sun? Yes. At December time, to the southern hemisphere, it is tilted towards the southern hemisphere. Southern hemisphere is tilted towards the sun. That's why they have summer there, and the northern hemisphere has winter there. Okay. So the reason is also like both answer is for the one, and second the first answer is southern hemisphere. Okay, fine. We have a confusion that we think that it is yes. Okay. Earth is tilted towards yes. The southern hemisphere is north hemisphere is tilted towards the sun. Okay. Both answer is southern. It is because of the tilt of the earth. Just write that. Because of the tilt. Don't get confused. Don't get confused. It is because of the tilt of the sun. That's enough. Yes, I'm typing. You are again confused. When the southern hemisphere is tilted towards, yes, yes, yes. When the southern hemisphere is tilted towards the sun, then how the light comes to the northern hemisphere? How the rays come to the northern side rear? When the south is tilted towards the sun, then how the rays of the earth come to the northern hemisphere? Oh, the question is in which hemisphere is having summer, right? So sorry, so sorry, so sorry. It's my mistake. In my mind, it is winter. So sorry. So instead of south, you have to write it as instead of north, you have to write it as south. Then it's clear. Okay, okay. Sorry, sorry, sorry. Sorry, sorry. It's my mistake. Really sorry. Instead of north, you have to write it as south. That's it. South. South. Southern. So can you do the next question? Just think by yourself and tell me the answer. In the September position. September. Okay, now we have discussed about the December position. Just go look at the September position. In the picture, it is very easy. Tilt is maybe he has some network issues. And which hemisphere is tilted towards the sun? North. Answer is correct. North. Okay. North is the answer. For the third question, answer is north. Masin, for the third question, the answer is north. North. Wait, wait, Dua. Masin, third, third question, the answer is north. Okay. So next, which season is the northern hemisphere having? Which season? Spring. 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 Yes, good, Sarah. Hania PT, are you writing? Ruba, spring. That's what I asked. I saw you are not listening. That's why I ask you. Are you writing or not? Fifth question. Which season is Southern Hemisphere having? Which season is Southern Hemisphere having? Autumn. So if it is spring in one, autumn. Yes, yes, spring. Opposite side will be autumn. Yes, if it is summer in one side, the opposite, then it will be winter on the opposite side. So is this Earth is revolving around the sun in clockwise direction or anti-clockwise direction? Yes, it is anti-clockwise. I think you noticed it in the video. It is very clearly. So everyone completed the fifth question. Marcin, have you completed the fifth question? Done. So sixth question, which two factors causes the season? One is tilt and other is, that is the main reason, revolution of earth. Revolution. So revolution and the tilt. Revolution and the tilt are the two factors that causes the. Yes, yes, yes. Yes. Yes, yes. Revolution spelling mistake is there. Revolution. Sorry, Dua, can you repeat it once more? Yes, RAVO. Yes, yes. Yes. Okay, okay, okay. So he's traveling, he's continuously attending the classes, right? So chances there. Yes. Sixth, revolution. Yes. Revolution and tilt of the earth. So this is, can you see this? I think you can take page number 140 in the learner's book. Axis is this one. The axis is the tilt means the position. Axis is the line, imaginary line that passes through the center of the earth that connect the north pole and south pole. Okay, so through that axis we can understand the how much tilt is there, what is the angle of the tilt, and like that. Okay. South pole. So you can see in the earth position, different position in the during the December month and all. Can you see that? It's very clear in this picture. North pole is here, south pole is here, equator is there. Its axis, you can see that, right? So try to do these questions. Activity 2 as homework. So which hemisphere is having summer? We have already discussed that. Which part of the world having 24 hours of darkness? So you can Google it. Which part of the earth have actually 24 hours of darkness? There are some parts that that has 24. Yes, activity 2. That's actually, yes, the side of the earth face that we have already discussed portion is that. Okay, the side of the earth facing the sun is having day. You know that, right? When it faces towards the sun, it is day, and the opposite side is night. Next, the side of the earth facing away from the sun is night, and the tilted axis causes the southern hemisphere to be tilted towards the sun. So here the southern hemisphere is tilted towards the sun, and the region around. Yes. Yeah. The region around the South Pole is having continuous daylight. So look here, because of the tilt, the southern portion is tilted more towards the sun, so that the South Pole. Oh, sorry, sorry, sorry. Then you can. Sorry, sorry. So Aisha, please give them a 5 minute break. Actually, this is what happened in the last period also. That they didn't get break.